Hey everyone, in this video we'll be implementing scroll to feature inside our collection view items. So here we have a list of collection view item. If I click a button, then it will get scrolled to the fourth item of the list. So here we can scroll to any of the item specified. So this is really useful whenever we get items out of the API, or we get item from the push notification where we want to show the fourth or fifth or any type of items in the first priority. So here, in order to implement it, here we have a collection view which gets its item source from the view model, that is from my list obj items object. So here you can see we have a image control where a list of images which are associated with that list gets inherited inside the obj images properties, and we have a collection of images that comes from the obj images that gets binded to this list item from our view model. So here you can see we have a binding context as main page view model, which helps to relate our main page.xaml with the view model. Inside our main page view model, we have bindable object that gets inherited, and then this is the my list obj class, which has two properties, that is id and obj images, and we are going to associate our class properties inside a list, that is our observable collection list, and this list is going to be called inside our main page.xaml for our collection view. So we have to add that list with the data. So in order to do that, we have a new text that gets added to the collection. Now you can see this is the bindable object that gets inherited from Xamarin Forms, and then collection view is going to get inherited from the system.collection.obj models. My URL for the images comes from HTTP, which is not secure. That's why we have to create app transport security for iOS and HTTP clear text for Android, or just use some fake images out of the resources folder of Android and iOS to show that images. So here you can see after the button is clicked, then we are scrolling to the fourth item. In order to call our main page view model list, we will use this way to create one object which call this list item. So here view model is going to call the list from the view models class, and then this object is going to call our list first item where id is going to be compared, and this id might be coming from the API or the push notification. Then as soon as we compare our list item with the id that comes from external source, then our scroll to property of the collection view is going to scroll that compared item to that specific id. So here you can see the id number 4, if it comes from the API, then it is going to be matched with the list item, and then this magical code is going to scroll that specific item to that specified compared item list. So here you can see the system.link is going to be used for first or default property. Don't forget to add that namespace. Now our my collection.scroll to property is going to scroll that specified item.